Morning, welcome. This is Jamb here. 2013 government pass question. Question number 44 says, which of the following countries pioneered the establishment of Ecowas alongside Nigeria? Which of the following pioneered the establishment of Ecowas alongside Nigeria? And when we talk of Ecowas, Ecowas means economy, community of West Africa states. So that is, which of this country in togetherness with Nigeria establish ECOWAS? A. Cameroon, B. Ghana, C. Togo, D. Algeria. And as we all know, the history of ECOWAS, that whenever we talk of Nigeria, we also talk of Togo. So Togo was beside Nigeria, or was behind Nigeria during the establishment of ECOWAS. So option C is correct. Kindly subscribe for more of our past question videos.